So Maya's never had a bath before. We've had her 3 days, and she is quite the stinky pooch, but we love her immensely. But we're going to give her a nice clean bath. Right, pup? Okay. Give her face a wipe so she gets used to the scent of the soap. Okay, baby? All right. You want to put her in?
Okay.
There we go.
Now you can wipe.
Hey, Maya, let's wipe your face. Your beautiful face, okay? What a cutie pooch. Very good girl.
That is kind of fun, isn't it?
It is. Okay. There we
Let's keep her
are.
entertained with little crumbs.
Yeah.
Keep her entertained.
And then in the meantime, I'll just start this going.
Yeah, I know. How many people does it take to wash a dog?
Put some soap here too. Oh, she'll probably end up drinking the water.
There you go.
She's doing so well.
You're doing well.
You need to take soap and like scrub it on her.
Yeah.
But don't go past her neck.
Yeah.
I think this is kind of a practice run anyway. You don't like her to be a little less stinky though. She's not going to remember
Do you
the
want to
soap.
come to this side too?
So, got crumbs now.
She's taking this really well. I'm so impressed. She's such a smart girl. So good-natured.
That's pretty cute. Oh my goodness, you can see it from the camera side.
Make sure you get her underside.
Yeah, that's the most important.
I would be fairly quick because she's already made an attempt to escape.
Okay.
Cookies were running low. And as soon as she's full, forget it.
Okay, baby. Oh, good girl, Maya.
Oh,
Look
you
how
did a
dirty
good-
that water is. It's brown.
Well, she's probably never been bathed.
Okay, well that's now gone.
Is it gone?
No, I got a couple more biscuits left. But
Okay, baby. You're almost done. Ready? One,
do you want to
two,
let the
three.
water go then too?
Yeah. No. I would like her to sit. See if you can get her to sit.
Really?
And she do it automatically.
Oh, good girl.
Good girl, Maya. Tell her to sit. Maya, sit.
Yeah, sit there.
And she's sitting.
Not be too comfortable in the water.
Look how dirty this water is.
I do recommend when she's full, she's going to leave.
Yeah, I'm
So-
going to spray now.
Good, thank you.
But I just didn't want her
Make
to
sure
be...
it's not too hot.
I will. Okay, ready? Here we go.
Ooh, bust this one up a bit.
And so it's her bum.
Oh,
That's
there you go.
really super duper stinky.
Oh, that was too big a piece. I'm trying to keep the piece over here. Keep the piece with pieces.
Careful with her head.
Yeah, they're getting crumbs all over the place too.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Glad she's not nippy.
Uh-oh. She didn't like the head.
No, I didn't like the head.
That's something you have to be careful with their heads. I don't like it.
All right, tell me you're done.
I'm done. Okay.
Okay, good girl. That was a hassle and a half, wasn't it?
You get the towel.
Yep, get the towel.
Oh, sorry, that's my job, isn't it? Oh, it's
That's pretty murky waters there, Maya.
yeah, I can clean all of this. this after you look after the doggy.
Ready?
Good job. Do you want me
Oh,
to
what
pick-
about she's got crumbs all over her face?
Yeah,
now.
that was me. I'm a hindrance to this whole process.
See, there's things I can't film.
If I pick her up, would that help?
No, it's okay.
You
it's
sure?
Okay.
Let's get
Well,
some water.
sure. And she's got some crumbs here on the front of her.
So where do you want her to go for? You know what? If I put her out on the deck, she'll probably shake herself.
Probably.
Yeah, just take her out on the deck.
Sure.
That'd be fun. I've never seen her shake before. We'll have to take her to the beach. I'll look after cleaning up all the mess here, and you guys just.
Thanks. Now I smell like a wet dog, hey?
What are you thinking about that?
Okay, let's see her if she shakes.
Actually, I'm gonna
There
see
you
this too.
go. There you go.
I'm gonna keep the door closed for her.
Oh, she doesn't like that. Maya. Oh, she got water in her ear, I bet.
You have to make sure you dry them.
There it is.
Okay, Maya.
That's why you don't do their heads.
Oh, she didn't like that. Okay, baby, come on. Okay. It's all right. Okay.
All right, that's
All
good.
right, that's all right.
That was
Dry
a
your
good
ears.
process.
Okay. All done. Thank you.